Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. This chapter number 9. Name of the chapter is Time and Work, Time and Distance. Time and Work, Time and Distance. In this chapter, we are going to learn about some rules for time and work done and their practical applications. Then a relation between speed, distance, and time. Speed is equal to distance by time, and some word problems on these relations. So time and work. Rule 1: if a person completes a piece of work in X days, then one day work of the one day work of the person will be 1 by X. Suppose I can finish a work in 3 days. I can finish a work in 3 days. Then my one day work will be 1 by 3. And if a person's one day work is, for example, 1 by 12, a person is working in a person is working to finish a work, and his one day work, suppose 1 by 12, then he can finish the work in 12 days. So if a person completes a piece of work in X days, then one day work is 1 by X. Rule 2: if the work done by a person A in one day is 1 by X, then the time taken by A to finish the work is X days. That is, if a person's one day work is 1 by X, then he can finish the work in X days. Time and distance. Relation between speed, time, and distance. What is speed? Distance covered in unit time by a moving object is called as speed. Distance covered in unit time by a moving object is called its speed. So what is the relation among the speed, distance, and time? Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time, and time equal to distance divided by speed. Okay. So when you convert the unit kilometer per hour into meter per second, then we multiply the given speed by 5 by 18. Why? To convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we multiply the given speed with 5 by 18. Why? Because 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So while you convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, the given speed we multiply with 5 by 18, because 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hour equal to 60 into 60 seconds, so equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Then to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we multiply the speed with 18 by 5. Why? Because 1 meter per second is equal to 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter convert to kilometer, then it will be 1 by 1000 kilometer. And once again you convert to hour, then it will be 1 by 60 into 60 hour. So simplify this, then you will get 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So 1 meter per second is 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So while you convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we multiply the speed with 18 by 5. like question number 1, convert 36 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Convert 36 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 36 kilometer per hour you multiply with 5 by 18 to convert meter per second, and then simplify, you will get 10 meter per second. Then 25 meter per second you convert into kilometer per hour. So 25 meter per second you multiply with 18 by 5 to convert to kilometer per hour. So 25 meter per second is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. 25 meter per second speed and 90 kilometer per hour is same. Okay.